Look, I've got him up. I've got it ready. He's got a... You got your phone on you?
No.
Oh, so you can all torch him.
Needs to charge it.
Here you go. Oh.
Turning around there.
Oh.
Got the hiccups again.
Oh, there is that. That's a bit. I don't know, is it the orange one I use? Maybe the orange one.
I'm not sure. Let's get off now. Taking it off now.
Yeah, it's not quite fully charged, but it should be enough. You're probably about 75% there. That should do it. I shan't touch down there because there's a fucking screw fell out somewhere. It's about doorbell's there, so it could be. Is it there? Is it there, isn't it?
I think so, yeah. I just thought that stone. Yeah, it's stone.
So it would have fell.
Oh, I don't see you've dropped it.
No, I dropped it.
Do you wear watches?
No.
Oh.
Come look at him.
Right, you got the.
Look at the other one.
There you go.
Ninja. That one. About got to one. Don't be late.
That's the one.
So it's not. Huh?
Stingrays, I'm going to take back.
Get kettle on.
Don't you think?
Go on, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. It's a bit dark.
I don't know how he's come to have them, but he's been upstairs for a bit. I see you about 8:15. Hey, 8:15.
Oh, matron.
What's the one?
See you later.
See you later. Thank you. Bye bye.
Foggy, isn't it? It'd be like Lexus.